channel, and hello if you're new here. My name's Helen. I hope you stick around and enjoy the video. Today's video I wanted to talk about two of my favourite skincare tools that I've been obsessed with recently. I've been using them religiously every single day, and these are the kind where you think, will it work, will it not work, should I buy it, is it a gimmick? But I totally am obsessed with these, and I wanted to do a quick video just to show you how I use them, tips and tricks that I do, and the benefits that I've really found from the ice roller and the jade roller on my skin. So if you're interested to hear that, please stick around and let's get into the video. Okay, so the first one I want to talk about is the ice roller. So I got both of these tools off of Amazon recently. They're not even expensive, like they're like £20 max. You can get cheaper versions, you can get more expensive versions, but I think this one was about £20, and I'll link them both below. So this one is just out of the freezer, as you can see. It's absolutely frozen. But the good thing about it is it doesn't drip, so it is just a cold tool for you to use on your skin. So this is like giving yourself like an ice facial at home. So what I like to do is use this first thing in the morning. When I wake up, I'll wash my face, and then if I have a shower, and then I'll use this. So I like to go upwards. So you roll it in upwards motions up your skin, and it just releases all the toxins out of your skin and also smooths out your pores. Then once I did that for about 5 or 10 minutes, I get my moisturizer and my serums, and I would put that on and then use this to massage in those creams, and it really works wonders on your skin. My skin's never looked better, and I put it all down to this in the morning. Another thing I like to do is hold it underneath your eye and like look up, and then hold it and look up, and then also close your eyes and just roll it over your eyebrows. It's so relaxing on your skin, and if you have headaches or if you have migraines, like this is perfect. I don't put it in the freezer, but I do put it in the fridge just to cool it down a bit. This is a jade roller, and jade is a very good like natural stone for releasing toxins and negative energy and opening up your pores. So the jade stone looks like this, and it also had a smaller side on it as well. So what I like to do with this is at night time, before I go to bed, I'll roll this all over my skin, like so. I will put on my evening skincare. I like to do this. I even do like here, your décolletage, because it's such a relaxing effect. Honestly, if you're having trouble sleeping, get one of these rollers and put on some moisturizer and just roll it over your skin. It's so relaxing. It also does something called lymphatic drainage. So I'm not a professional at this, obviously. I've just researched like the benefits of it, but it does lymphatic drainage. So I think that means it releases like all the dead cells that's stuck in your body, and can also help with toning of the face and different things. I'm just sitting rolling my face. But this one here has like a tiny one here, which is absolutely perfect for getting under your eyes and rolling up. And it's always important. I don't like to roll like this and roll hard on your skin. I don't think you get a good of an experience with it, but I would just roll up and like stroke motions like so. So I would do this. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do let me know if you try out any of these tools, because they've been lifesavers. I really think they've made such a difference to my skin, and I'm really enjoying using them. It just kind of gives you a bit of like a spa experience at home, and when you use them with like your moisturizers and your serums, it really massages them in well. So I'm just going to continue to do this and roll my face, and I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you do. Thank you for all the love and support on all my other videos I've posted, especially my like psychology one that got quite a good few views. So thank you so much for all your support on that one. I really appreciate it. Please let me know in the comments below any sort of videos that you would like me to film, because I'd be so happy to try out different ones. I'm thinking of doing a Q&A as well, so if you have any questions for me, please leave them below and I can answer them in my next video. So I hope y'all are keeping safe and well, and I'll speak to you soon.